learn more about your passive streams of income and to keep growing in that so that you can reach heights one fine day. So if you are ready with me, it is advisable to take notes if you find points which are of your queries. If you have questions, take notes and reach to the one whosoever may concern has referred you. Ask them, get your questions cleared, and if you find points relevant to what you are thinking and that makes you think like you are, it is a good thing coming to the session, please do take notes. Keep working on them so that one fine day you will be the person you wanted, because this very session we are talking tonight is an important session. So because each second of the session is important, because each person in Tronzy is very important, and the minute you start is very important. So I want you to stay focused and keep learning more. So I welcome you to the world of Tronzy, and we being a family are very happy to invite you to be a member of our family. We will all grow together, become rich together, and live a prosperous life ahead. To understand more about Tronzy, we need to know its basic parameters like blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and smart contracts. For the ones who are familiar with these terms, I'm happy. For the ones who are listening for the first time, these terminology, let me give you in detail what each of them mean. Blockchain. The word blockchain itself is telling us it is blocked in a process of chain. Block in the sense it acts as a barrier for your transparency to the other person so that only you can see what is happening inside. And the word chain refers it to be a step-by-step process. So right from the user's transactions request to the transactions execution, everything goes in a chain process. Besides, this is blocked. So this is blockchain where there is zero transparency for an other human to interfere in your transactions. As we move forward, we come to this term called cryptocurrencies. If you heard this cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin did pop up in your mind, you are right, ladies and gentlemen, because Bitcoin is the world's top leading coin number one. And here, for the ones who don't know the origin of cryptocurrencies, please do know that it is from a man called Satoshi Nakamoto, a Japanese man who brought this crypto into the world. And the Supreme Court of India on the day of 4th of March 2020 has legalized that cryptocurrency can be used. And as I said, Bitcoin will be your first pop-up. Ethereum is in the place too, where you find it for using for mining and other generation purposes. Enough to know some important topic is the world of Tronzy owns its own crypto coin, which we will be discussing it in the further slides. So all I want you to know is cryptocurrencies, which work on the blockchain technology, making theoretically immune to the old ways of human, so that you need not to stand in the queue, wait for your respective money to change into your favorable currency and then transact to the other person at the other end. That is all not needed, because cryptocurrencies are enough flexible to change themselves into your favorable currency and can instantly get transferred from a place to place, making everything easy on your fingertips and digitalized. So we, being Tronzy, own our own cryptocurrency called the ITC. Before starting the session, let me tell you this important quote, which will enhance and encourage you to be more focused and to start this. The secret of success in business is identifying where the world will go and get there first. This might be just a quote of 2-3 lines, but the meaning inside it is very important. The secret of success is identifying. Only because Jeff Bezos identified people will be adapting themselves to online shopping, online grocery shopping, or online clothing, anything. Only because he identified that the world was moving towards technology, getting updated, getting modernized, where they can buy anything from their own home without moving a step outside. He invented or he bought into the world called Amazon, only because he identified the world was going there. only because Elon Musk identified that one fine day the world will be tending to reach Mars. He invented Tesla and he's working on it. So they are now world's richest, being super billionaires and successful people in life. And just a secret is they identified where the world is going. For you to get succeeded in Tron Z, identify the power of trons, where it is growing. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 8,000 coins all over the globe. And to hear a miraculous word, Tronzy and the coin Tron is in the 19th place from 8,000 other cryptocurrencies. That is no joke, and that's rapidly growing day by day. And I believe that one fine day this will surely take the position one ruling the world, because this is the first ever platform with many amenities and such amazing features which we will be knowing now. So this is an international crowdfunding platform built on the Tron blockchain, which we have already discussed. And it's the world's first Tron network platform with Thanksgiving cryptocurrency model. As I said, Thanksgiving means crypto, we are also using our own coin. So this is why we are Thanksgiving to cryptocurrency model. Here we are. Yeah, the Tron's ITC coin is what I was talking all this throughout now. So Tron's International Tron's coin is our own cryptocurrency from the contract of Tronzy. And we might be familiar with community building, which is formerly known as crowdfunding, because it is not you and me. There are billions of people in the world of Tronzy, and together we grow. So this is called a crowdfunding platform with its own cryptocurrency called the ITC. Moving on to the next slide. Why is a very important question. To get into something, you will have this question, why should I? To learn something, you will be thinking like, why should I? So all these questions like why are very important in life. And now to give this amazing answer, why Tron network platform or why the coin Tron is comparably better with Ethereum and the other coins, let me give you these wonderful answers. There are 25 transactions per second in the case of Ethereum. On the other hand, there are 2,000 transactions per second in the case of Tron. 2,000 people are using it per a second is no joke, ladies and gentlemen, because if 2,000 are using per a second, imagine how many per a minute and how many per a day. This is the one and only trustworthy platform where you can invest and grow big. There are millions of DApp users each day, each single minute and a second also. It's a very low gas fee. And this secret of Tronzy made me believe that it is growing big is because it is consistently averaging. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, it is consistently averaging from the last few months. No other cryptocurrency was rapidly in growth from the day the cryptocurrencies were into the world. But Tron is the only cryptocurrency which is rapidly growing in very few months of its origin. And now it is consistently averaging. No matter you face hardships, no matter you think that is tough, you fail, you win, you fall, you raise, all through the process, you need to be consistent to be successful. And that is when you believe in yourself, you are enough confident to your life, and you keep moving forward. All you need is to be consistent. And Tron is consistently averaging. So it is the trustworthy platform. It is rapidly growing, and it will be the one place sure one fine day. Again, we have these three reasons why it is the best contract. As I said, Tronzy has some n number of reasons why it is always the best. Three major things among it are verified, decentralized, and instant. The word verified means it is legalized and it has no risk involved. You can use it because it is enough flexible and it is enough legalized and verified to use. The word decentralized is my favorite, and I want you to make it your favorite once you get to know what that means. The word decentralized means you are not or like under somebody in detail, to give it in a clear way, you have no one over you, right? That is quite cool, right? You have no one over you to do this, do that. You are scheduled to do this. These are your limits. You are grounded with these limits. This is your deadline, time limit. Work these many hours. Why are you late? All this creepy stuff is not involved here, because the point number one, it is digitalized, where everything goes inside the your own laptop or your own PC, and Tronzy exists till the internet exists. We can't imagine a world without internet, right? So don't worry, the world without Tronzy, it always is there for you. And it is decentralized, and it is instant. The word instant is very important nowadays. When you load some reel in your Instagram and you find it loading, you, for the very next moment, you go to the next reel, right? When you see things buffering or loading, you don't pay interest on them. You only pay interest on things which are quick using the internet and are shown. Tronzy is not giving you the buffering or loading problems because this is instant. Your income generation is instant. Your transactions are instant. So it is verified, decentralized, and instant. It has no admin fee, like people coming to you and telling you, we give you a referral link, add to our contract, and then we will introduce you to the world of Tronzy. Nothing like that. You are just given a referral link, and that is when you start working on Tronzy. So it is 100% decentralized. It is risk free and built on zero human interference model, because everything is modernized and digitalized at your fingertips. Here we are, the most important packages slide. This is very important. So I want you to be alert and listen to them. So we have packages, Tron values to purchase them, the ITC tokens, which we can use for the gaming industry, where Tronzy is also giving us. And the credits are your price amount. The very moment you get updated or you get upgraded to any level as follows, you will be given with respective credits. Coming to the column of packages, Tronzy is divided into 12 packages, 7 stars and diamonds as follows, where star 1 taking the first position and crown diamond taking the highest position. So, the Tron, the TRX, is the currency we use to purchase the packages. And now, as we see here, star 1 is 300 Trons. You might be wondering, where will I get this 300 Trons into my account? Or from where will this even Tron come into my wallet? For questions like that, let me tell you how to purchase this. The moment you get into the referral link, you start working on it, you invest money. Now you have this question, how much should I invest? Pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm telling you the cheapest way to be the richest man. Isn't that amazing? It is 800 rupees, ladies and gentlemen, which is less than 1,000, giving you amazing future in the front. You heard me right. Yes, 300 trons is 800 INR. And in dollars, it is just $10. Quite amazing, right? We invest thousands of rupees in our daily life in many ways. We buy a lot of things to our house. We buy clothes, we buy a pair of shoes, food, cosmetics, lot of things we invest more than 1,000. But this very 800 you're investing today is not to your house, is not to your clothes, is not to your shoes. It is to make you rich in your future. You are not investing it for your instant gratifications, ladies and gentlemen. You are investing it for your future. And that is less than 1,000. Quite good deal, right? Accept it very quick. So 800 rupees, the moment you invest is when you get 300 trons into your wallet and you purchase the star 1 package, which is giving you 100 ITC tokens to play in the gaming industry and 100 extra ITC credits. Now we see this star 2, which is 600 TRX, star 3, 1500 trons, star 4, 2400, star 5, 4200, star 6, 6000, star 7, 12,000, diamond 24,000, blue diamond 60,000, black diamond 1,50,000, royal diamond 27 lakhs 9,000, crown diamond. What is that? 4 lakh 50,000? Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm weak at max. Yeah. Because I've never imagined that this much amount I will keep investing in my future. So the first time I hear this huge numbers, I may get panicked. I'm sorry if that was wrong. Yeah. Star one, it's 300 packs. And as you see in the credits column, right from the 7th star to the diamond, there is a huge jump from 100 to 3,000. Interesting, right? Let me tell you, the diamond users, you are blessed to visit Goa if you are already enough eligible to be in the position. And people who are at 7 star, quicken up yourselves and come upgraded to the diamond level, because the credits and your extra incomes and your extra facilities which Tronzy is giving you, like that 100 to 3,000 jump, everything starts multiplying. So if you are in a place where you are enough able and capable of investing money on your future, on a high income or a high value, start from diamond. I advise you this because diamond is the best place. It is not like the others are not. You can start from star one. I started from star one and I am upgrading day by day and I'm becoming rich day by day. There is no compulsion here to start from a respective level you wanted. All you need to do is, the moment you want to, for example, let us take star 7. The first time you want to get upgraded to star 7, all you need is 6 minutes of time to upgrade the other 6 stars. You put 300 TRX, the moment you get upgraded to 100 TRX, your 2 star will be available. You put 600, you get the 2 star. So it just takes minutes. You invest 6,000 TRX on your 6th star and get upgraded. Till that, the very next moment you can get into your 7 star if you are enough capable or enough able to purchase the respective level with the respective amount. So there is no compulsion for you to start from star one and reach crown diamond. All you need to do is, if you are willing to get to the royal diamond, get upgraded till the black diamond. If you are willing to get to the crown diamond, please do get upgraded till the royal diamond. And that is not taking you hours or days, it is just minutes. Interesting, right? So this is the important package slide, and I hope you have understood in a clear way. I can repeat it in a brief. These are the packages, and the column 2 is your purchasing currency of Trons and the ITC tokens and the credits. Just give me a minute and I'll be back. Right? We see the program. It's like everyone have this question, like what is happening inside this huge platform? Like what is actually going inside this? This is the program, what happens inside. So yeah. See, every process in our life gets divided into different ways. Like, right, you are born as a child, you finish your teenage and then reach your old age. See, everything has a process. The same way, Tronzy has its own global program, which is 3 times, like 3 processes divided, namely 10x, alias 10 times, direct bonus, and level bonus. As we see here, for example, let us take star 1 pack, which is costing us 300 TRX. It gets divided 33% each, 100 TRX into 10x, 100 TRX into direct bonus, 100 into the level bonus. I hope you understood that these are getting divided here. To understand what they are getting divided into, let's get to know each of them in detail. Moving on to 10x program. The word 10x itself is telling you what happens here. You are right if you had already had this thought that your investment is getting 10 times multiplied. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, you are right if you had this thought, because your initial investment is in return giving you 10 times your investment. That is all what 10x program does. See, let us, for example, take 6th star. You invest 6,000 TRX, which is giving you 60,000 TRX. 7th star, 12,000, which is giving you 1,20,000 TRX. See, 10 times multiplied. And to now understand how this is actually happening, let us get into the workflow. You are there, you already are an upholder of star 1 pack, you are upgraded to star 1 pack, and you are there, you refer to other persons, which each of them will give you 100 because 300 is getting divided to 300s each. So each 100 from your next referrals will be your rebirth. So this is called an investment formally, if you want it to be a clear view. So this is a reinvestment. So this happens 15 times. 15 times your investment gets rebirthed, your referrals gets rebirthed 15 times, letting your initial investment get multiplied 10 times, giving you this 10 times income. So we've took example star 1 pack, which is 300 TRX, is giving you 3000 TRX. If it is star 2, which is 600 trons, that is in return giving you 6000 trons. If star 3, which is 1500, that is giving you 15,000. So this is the workflow. I hope you understood. Yeah, that gets 15 times auto rebirth, which is multiplied 10 your initial investment and is giving you 10 times your investment. Moving on to the second one, which is called direct bonus. This is the most interesting part of direct bonus. Income in this respective specified level keeps adding every day, every week, every month, every year, each single minute, I say, because direct bonus is a moral bonus. Let me tell you why. You grow rich using direct bonus only when you help others to grow rich. Isn't that quite appreciated, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. The moment you refer to other people, that is when you get your direct bonus added. To know it, let's get to know about direct bonus. You refer to a person directly. This is called a direct referral, right? You refer to a person directly. This is when your direct bonuses keep adding. You're referring directly means you're helping another person to grow rich, like the way you want it to. The moment the person you have referred upgraded to star 1, there goes your bonus 100 TRX. Instant, I repeat, because this is verified, decentralized, and instant. The instant your person gets upgraded to star 1, the very next instant, your 100 trons come and fall into your wallet. See the package he got upgraded to the direct bonus, respectively. The moment star 2, 200 TRX, because 600 gets divided into 200 each. Third star is giving you 500, fourth is giving you 800, 5, 1400, 6, 2000, 7, 4000, diamond 8000, blue diamond 20,000, black diamond 50,000, royal diamond 93,000, crown diamond 1,50,000, together a total amount of 3,30,000 TRX. Now you might have this question like, what if a person stops at 7 star? Will I be left with 9,000 total amount of trons? To clear this question, let me give you an amazing advice. Before moving into that advice, let me tell you this crazy thing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 3,30,000 trons are just with one person. I repeat, just with one single person. Amazing, right? And now you have this question, what if he or she is stopping in between? I can't reach the amount of 3,30,000 trons. To answer that, I have this amazing slide here. Multi people are always advisable. You have multi people, that is when, if so ever your first person is stopped at star 1, you get 100 TRX. But see, one of the person in your team is crown diamond, which is directly adding you 3,30,000 trons, which you are dreaming that might be happening with one person. But if you maintain 6 persons, each of them will keep adding you respective amount so that it will not panic you because he or she is stopping at some level. See, your first person stopped at star 1, but that is not bothering you because your sixth person is already in crown diamond, right? So maintain more people, refer more people to get more direct bonus. Moving into level bonus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an ocean. See, now you have jugs, you have buckets, you have mugs, you have gallons, you have drums, whatever container you have, bring it to the ocean. It keeps filling it no matter what, right? The whole world come with a mug. Still, there is water in the ocean. It's the same way. Level bonus is an ocean which keeps adding you into mug, or a bottle or a drum, whatever container of whatever volume you bring, it keeps adding you. Amazing, right? For an 18-year girl like me, having this ocean of money as a dream, and this pandemic of 2020 hit me so hard and my family, where I got to know that my annual income or my linear income is not sufficient, or my father's linear income is not sufficient to make my family live it to the happiest terms. That is when I started searching for passive streams of income, and I filtered it day by day, like where should I go, which will be the best part, which is the best platform that will lead me to a purposeful destiny that is seriously making rich and that is enough genuine. After a lot of filtrations, this is the right platform I found, and in the right time, Tronzi. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are at the right time in the right place. To understand the magic of this ocean, let's get to know what is level bonus. You in the crown diamond. Yes, sir. Manjunath Garu, you raised your hand. Any queries? Please do write in the chat box if you have queries regarding the session. If not, we will continue. I repeat, Manjunath Garu, you raised a hand. I hope I have no. Yeah, let's continue. You are in the crown diamond level. You should be in the crown diamond level, and I'll tell you why. If you are in the crown diamond level, all the other levels are beyond it, right? Say, I'm like behind it. Oh yeah, behind it. So you being in the crown diamond level, all the other level bonus will fall into your account. If you are stopping at diamond and your referral has already reached black diamond, you will not get his level bonus. For you to experience and what you say, earn all the level bonuses, you need to be in the highest place, which is crown diamond. So this is advisable, and that is the best place. It is not like only when you reach crown diamond you get level bonus. No, you get it from star one also. But if your referral is into some other level greater than you, that is a loss. To understand the profit and loss about this, there is no loss, I repeat. Yeah, it was just a rhythm. To understand what is level bonus, let me tell you. Yeah. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is just refer a single person. That is all you need to do. Yes, one single person, one direct referral will get you lump sum of amounts. And to understand this, your first person will be your first level. Your first person's referral will be your second level. The same way, your second person's first referral will be your third guy. Your third person's first referral will be your fourth guy. This keeps increasing to 12. So your first person in the level 1 is increased to 12 persons or 12 people in your level 12. And now to understand how these people are adding you level bonus. For example, let us take level 1 person in the star 1. He's adding you 100 TRX. Star 2, 200 TRX. Star 3, 500. Star 4, 800. Star 5, 1400. Star 6, 2000. Growing to crown diamond, which is adding you 1,50,000 trons. And in total, that is 3,30,000 trons with just one single referral. And now let me give you this rule, like if at all the person in your level 5 is not upgraded to star 5, 1400 trons are not coming to your wallet. You should be in a upper grade than your person. The same way, that person should be upgraded to the respective level. Only because you are a crown diamond holder, all the stars to the crown diamond, you are eligible for all the level bonuses. The same way, if you want your person 6 to add his 2000 trons to your wallet, your person 6 should be equivalently upgraded to the respective star, which is called the star 6. Okay. So yeah, for example, let us take 8th person. He or she must be upgraded to diamond. That is when your 8000 trons fall into your wallet. If your person in the 8 level is not upgraded to diamond and he's still in 7 star, that is not adding your sum of 8,000 trons. Enough, don't panic yourselves thinking about people's upgradations. Let me tell you how easy this is. The day I started working on this, I thought like, why will people actually work on this? Like, will they upgrade? Will this add me level bonus? To all these questions, I've got an answer in my own way. Yes, it is easy and it is true because I grow rich only when I upgrade, right? We upgrade to grow rich. So each person in the trons, every single adult here, they keep upgrading to grow rich, right? They will not stop upgrading. When people are not stopping to upgrade, who will stop your level bonus? Nobody can, right? That's amazing, right? So this gave me encouragement that nobody is stopping to upgrade and no one can stop your level bonus, which is an ocean. Moving, yeah, you see, just one single direct referral can give you a total amount of 3,30,000 trons. Crazy, right? With just one single direct referral. Hold your hearts and fasten yourselves to see another amazing jackpot starting with two direct referrals. If you have two direct referrals, see, for 300 packages, which are two people, 100 divided each into two is 200 income. For example, let us take level 2 package, which is 600. Four people, 600 gets divided into 200 each for four people. 4 into 200 is 800 income. 1500 package is there. 1500 gets divided 500 each. And there are 8 people. So 8 into 5 is giving you 4000 income. The same way, two partners in the starting increase to 4096 partners when you reach level 12, and that is adding you an amount of, what is that even, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Oh man, that's a huge amount. As I said, I'm weak in max. Yeah, that might be crores also. Yeah, that might be a crore, as I heard in the previous sessions. Ladies and gentlemen, crores will take you to 100, 200 crores just when you start with three partners. Amazing, right? Yeah, I guess this red box is 100 crore. Yeah, I'm right now. Oof. See, 300 people with three partners, 100 each, giving you 300. 600 with nine partners, 200 each is giving you 1800. 1500 with 27 partners, 500 each is giving you 13,500, a total income. So three partners are growing to 5,31,441 people. That's a huge difference, right? One referral giving you 12% at the end. Two referral giving you 4,000 people at the end. Three referral giving you 5 lakh people at the end. This 5 lakh people are giving you 100 trons. When it is multiplied with the tron value today, which is 2.50 paisa, that is giving you 200 crores. I get goosebumps listening to this huge. How many digits is that even? 2, 3, 3, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12 digit income. Oh my goodness, that is a huge amount. I didn't even imagine that I'll have this amount in my pocket. But this is true, ladies and gentlemen. I've witnessed people having this amount in their wallets, and I am witnessing my own wallet increasing day by day, month by month, week by week. It keeps on increasing, and I want you to experience the same happiness when you see your wallet and your income increasing to crores, lakhs, whatever. You can be a billionaire, you can be a millionaire. And for all this to happen, as I said, you need to be consistent. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling, this is not easy. I know this is not easy. Nothing is easy in life. See, we have lot of hardships, but we find them easy only when we concentrate, only when we focus, only when we love to do that. Who on this earth will not love to become rich? I love growing rich because I want to live life to my happiest terms. I want to live life to the fullest, have a great family. I love being rich, right? So I love the process. I know that is hard, but I keep working on it. I'm consistent. I want you to be consistent, focused, and keep working each day to reach the level of 200 crores. And this 200 crores can happen in weeks, can happen in months, can happen in year. It depends on the traffic. And for that question, traffic, don't worry about it. You know why? It's not one person, or it's not 1,000 persons, or it's not 2,000 people. There are billions of people, ladies and gentlemen. I repeat, billions of people in the world of Tronzy. So the traffic is rapidly growing day by day, because 19th place from among 8,000 coins is no joke. And this is sure to be the first place very soon. So if you are still thinking, don't delay, do it today. This is the right option and the right place, the right time. Stop overthinking, because you are at the right place and you are at the trustworthy platform, because I am your living witness and I have witnessed many other people like this. So quicken up yourselves and start working on it. Tronzy is also giving us this amazing crypto exchange with gaming portals. And let us see the route map. Quarters divided from 2021 to 2022. You have, it is top in the exchange lists. It is rocking in the entertainment industry. It is ruling gaming industry. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm true. It is ruling the gaming industry with a game called, with a gaming portal called D Sports, where I am a huge fan of it. I keep playing, I keep earning. Do visit. And it has its own mainnet migration swap of TRC. So this is the roadmap. Yeah. The token strategy we have here is, as I said, each second in Trons is important. Each person in Trons is also important. You keep upgrading yourselves, you don't know which level you are, but see, if you are one among the top five, see, 5 and 6 is just a number, but only the top five will get this token. So each level you get upgraded, each time you get upgraded, each person who gets upgraded are very important. Quicken up yourselves to be in the top five, receiving the top five token strategies. If, for example, let us take star 7. If you're one amongst the five people, if you are one, if in the first place, you get 700, second place you get 560, third place 420, fourth place 210, fifth place 70. In the same way, if you are at crown diamond, first place you get 1200, second place 960, third 720, fourth 360, 5 120. If it nothing is running out, you need to just get in time. Yeah, it now is the best time than never, right? Now is better than never, right? We've already wasted few times of our lives not knowing this amazing price strategies or amazing contracts. Now is the best time. The second best time is now. Keep working, be in the top 5. The first 5 generations are given these respective token strategies. Earn them, gain them, keep working on them. So we have total of 360 million supply. But ladies and gentlemen, that might be a huge number to see and listen, but that's reducing day by day because people entering into it are growing. So the people, for example, let us take as a traffic. The traffic in the Tronzy and the token supply are quite inverse proportional, because people are growing day by day. So that supply might stop now, tomorrow, we don't even know, because people are increasing. So join early to get more ITC tokens. Join for the first 5 generations to get even more amazing credits. Start working on it. All you need to do is just quicken up yourselves and get modernized to the digitalized world. This is our website, www.tronsworld.com. And my favorite slide of the whole slides, gaming portal. www.winitc.io is the most surfed website on my phone and laptop, because I love games. If people out listening to me, if you too love games, do visit the website. It has gaming portal live, 200 plus amazing games where you can access them through the website only, www.winitc.io, which is my favorite. And you can play, win, and repeat. Isn't that quite amazing? People might be telling you, like, why do you waste time on games? Don't play games. Don't get habituated to play games. Hit them back with Trons, ladies and gentlemen, because this is adding value to your life. You get free ITC 10 tokens if you log in right now. Do visit the website right after the session. Log in, play, win, and repeat with 10 ITC free tokens right now today. So these are our official websites: trons.world, tronsworld.com, winitc.io. And these are the downloads, like the apps you need to download. Tronlink Pro is always advisable. So if you are willing to, just go hit the Tronlink Pro. You can find them on App Store, Google Play, or any Android application device. So your journey to your financial freedom starts right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you leave the session, you need to go check the websites, start surfing them, start working on them. Don't delay, because this is the best time. This night, this session is only for you, is only encouraging aspirants to become rich, because Stronzy is always at your terms to make you rich and to make you happy with no risk involved. See, the software engineers work 9 to 5 the whole damn day, but all you need to do is just sit for your system for 4 to 5 hours, check your investments, keep upgrading, keep looking at it, and be focused on it. Work consistently. That is all you need to do. Refer how many people you wanted, help them grow rich, which is in return helping you grow rich. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to an end. The session might end, but your journey starts now. Be careful, start working on it, be consistent. I know this is a very far way for your destination. I know there is a long way to reach your goal, to let all your dreams come true. Like, I have lot of dreams. I should go on a world tour, I should have a happy family, I should have a huge mansion. I know this is very far. I am far from the destination, but ladies and gentlemen, I am on my way. I know I am far, but I'm on my way. I want you to be on your way to your destination, and this will lead you one fine day to all your dreams that will come true. I know this is a far way. I will find a short one or make a new one, but I will never quit, because I'm already halfway there. So don't panic yourself. So don't worry about your present day life situations. Get working, get yourself started with Stronzy. No matter if your start is a slow way, don't worry, because one fine day you will be in a position you have never imagined. So I thank you all for your precious time and your amazing cooperation you've been given throughout the session. And I hope this has added lots of value to life and you will be working on it. I believe you guys who are listening to me, do work on it, do visit the websites, do start working on them right